हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम बैक टू माय स्कॉलर्स। इस वीडियो में हम ये लर्न करेंगे कि एक स्टेटमेंट को इक्वेशंस, मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशंस में कैसे टर्न करते हैं। हाउ एन स्टेटमेंट इज टर्न्ड इनटू अ मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशंस। We see that we read the words and try to write it in the form of mathematical equation. If fifth term of an AP is 31, so it is the case of AP as the solution. In AP we have first term, common difference, and nth term. So nth term is given 31. So first we need to let the first term be x. First term be a. Often we let it a. फर्स्ट टर्म को a ही लेट करते हैं, तो ये फर्स्ट टर्म जो है a है एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज d, और कॉमन डिफरेंस को d लेट करते हैं एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज d। कॉमन डिफरेंस को हम d लेट करते हैं and common difference is d. is d। कॉमन डिफरेंस को हम d लेट करते हैं। Now, so the nth term and formula for the nth term. Therefore, nth term, first term is a, common difference is d, so second term will be a plus d. Similarly, third term a plus 2d. So nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is 31. Is nth term is 31. Fifth term, nth term, here we take fifth term, so 5 fifth term is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 n के प्लेस पर 5 into d, and the fifth term is 31, so 31 is equal to a plus 4d। ये हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बन जाता है, और हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं a plus 4d is equal to 31। दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1। यहाँ तक हमने इसको कंसिडर कर दिया, यहाँ तक। नाउ 25th term, so what will be the 25th term like this? a plus 25 minus 1 into d, 25th term. 25th term will be a plus 25 minus 1 into d. 25th term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, means 25 minus 1 into d. So the 25th term is 140 more than 5th term. So fifth term is 31 so 25th term will be 140 more than 31, so 31 plus 140, that is equal to 171। ये 171 होगी 25th टर्म। So we shall take here 171, that is 171 is equal to a plus 24d. Say it is equation number 2, and the equation number 2 can be written as a plus 24d is equal to 171. ये जो 25th टर्म है 31 से फिफ्थ टर्म 31 है, जो कि 31 से 141 ज़्यादा है, तो 31 प्लस 141 मीन्स दैट 171 इज़ द 25th टर्म. 25th टर्म 171 है, इससे 140 ज़्यादा है 31 से. So this is equation number 2. Now if we subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, we can get the value of a and d. So subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. और बस इतना करते ही आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Equation number 2, that is a plus 24d is equal to 171. 171. This is equation 2. And equation 1 was a plus 4d is equal to 31. On subtracting. This was equation number 1 on subtraction. So this way, sign, we change the sign on subtraction, this sign will be changed and a is cancelled with it. So that is 20d. 20d is equal to 140. And this way we can find d, or d is equal to d is equal to 140 upon 20. 0 cancel with this 0, 2 7s. So d is this way 7. Now we can find the value of a by substituting the value of d in equation number 1. Substituting value of d in equation number 1. In equation number 1. Equation number 1 is a plus 4d is equal to 31. A plus 4d is equal to 31. So a plus 4 into d is 7 is equal to 31, or a plus 28 is equal to 31, or a is equal to a is equal to 31 minus 28, or a is equal to 3. So this way, the first term of the AP is 3. First term is a and second term a plus d. Third term will be a plus 2d. Fourth term will be a plus 3d. So this way the AP will be a is 3 and first term is a plus d. So 3 plus 7, that is 10. And third term is a plus 2d. 2 into 7. So that is 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is 2 into 7. So that is 3 plus 14 means 17. 3 plus 14 means 17. And here a plus 3d. So 3 plus 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. That is 3 plus 21 means that 24. So this way AP will be AP, therefore AP is 3 plus 7 10, 17 and 24 and so on. This way we have turned an statement into mathematical equations and solved that equation also. I am Samir. Thank you for watching my scholars. If you are new on our channel, please like and subscribe our channel और देखते रहिए इसी तरह की वीडियो. Thank you for watching my scholars again. इस वीडियो में इतना ही.